Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Really quick video. If you've been following along with parts 1 and 2, after I finished it, I had this line that really concerned me. So what I did is I went and made the line black. That got rid of the line, but it's showing the line from the original item. So what I did, I'm going to set my nudge factor like on 7 inches. And I'm going to take my, let's go up to Object, Group, and ungroup it. And let's take our Smart Fill and move it out of the way. And actually that. So we can delete all these lines and they won't be there anymore. And then we can just put that right back. So now everything is pure black. It's smooth, there's no lines, and it's ready to engrave. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.